General card care and cleaning is what most users of Grader's paste will be the same for all cards except a few added steps for other applications. Number 1. Make sure the area and work surface is clean and free from large particles as to avoid scratches. Number 2. Remove lid and take magic sponge and apply Grader's paste to sponge. A little goes a long way and more is not always better. Return any extra Grader's paste on sponge back to container. Replace lid as to not dry out paste. Number 3. Take card to be cleaned and using a sweeping motion from center of card to edge in every direction until card has paste on its surface. Take care in lifting sponge from edge back to center to work in one direction and to avoid snagging edges and corners of card. Number 4. Take the other sponge and using the same method to apply paste to remove paste from card. If so desired, repeat process to back of card. Number 5. Take sponge and make sure the edge of card is free of paste in one direction. We suggest using a one-touch type of card holder to secure card in a controlled environment and reduce chances of paste getting on other surfaces. Number 6. You can use Grader's paste to help protect sleeves and top loaders as well. Number 7. A microfiber towel is recommended for added luster and to reach desired effects. Now you can sit back and admire your card the way it was supposed to look from the manufacturer. When card is going to be graded, you will notice no smell or color change on card. Most grading services will look for any signs of alteration of card, however Grader's paste leaves no residue and therefore the card has not been altered. Failure to follow instructions may result in a card being rejected due to alteration. Grader's paste has never had a card returned for alteration by any grading service when directions are followed.